Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have?
I have $20.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Ruby.
What do you want to say to Ruby?
I want to tell her something.
When will she come?
She will come in 20 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Are you American?
Yes, I am American.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you sick?
No, I am not sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
How far is it?
It is about 100 kilometers.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How much money do you make?
I make $3 per hour.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
What is today's date?
Today is August 1st.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet tall.
What does he do for work?
He is a doctor.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There is a restaurant over there.
Is this restaurant good?
I don't think it is good.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow.
Where is an ATM?
The ATM is behind the bank.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is near the supermarket.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is August 21st.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go shopping.
How is the weather?
It is very cold.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 10 p.m.
Is it ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I had a workout session.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 150 pounds.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat burger.
Why are you late?
I had car trouble.
Have you ever volunteered for a cause?
Yes, I have volunteered before.
Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer morning walks. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.